As I record this, XRP's price is nearly $1, with Bitcoin hovering between the $55,000 to $60,000 mark. With the overall market cap for the entire digital asset class pegged at $2.6 trillion, Bitcoin's dominance on the asset class is registered at 41.2%, which is a long stretch from where it was a few months ago. And if you've been following these markets for some time now, you'd understand what that means for the entire crypto community, as we've been waiting for that for a long time, for that breakdown, when we would see Bitcoin get to that lower market share. And now, here we have it. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
There's no doubt that there's been a bit of a recession lately. As a result, we've seen a series of upward and downward movements with these assets, as XRP continues under pressure, struggling to crack above the dollar mark, majorly due to the current downtrend sweeping through the entire crypto class. XRP follows on in that trend, just as any slight increase in headwinds could see a further break to the downside. Let's look at the prices on the charts for the entire asset class over a given period. First, we notice that the price has gone down for a brief period, after which it went back up to the middle range against the FED's balance sheets. Investors hope for upcoming events in 2022 that will likely impact the price significantly, seeing as XRP has seen an uptick in price since the Friday sell-off, which had the costs retesting below the 90 cents mark to 87 cents. As of the time of recording, XRP was trading at around 97 cents, and should the XRP bulls maintain the balance while pushing the price of XRP to above $1, pending buy orders will be filled and market makers will provide more liquidity. XRP will surely hit $1,000 and even $10,000, and as a smart investor, it would be wise to hold even as little as $100 worth of this digital asset and hold on to the longest. And just as this Twitter user noted, if you see this tweet, consider yourself lucky. However, what you choose to do with that luck is all up to you. Right now, the market is in its recovery phase, a stage that usually spans 18 months of bottoming process in these markets. However, given the denominator effects, the markets are looking to be retracing to the upside, just as we've got the supplier fully back in the game. The Ripple platform possesses three significant characteristics that consistently attract corporate and retail clients. First, the platform's scalability is one of the Ripple network's biggest pluses, as it can process over 1,500 transactions per second, alongside a transaction time of less than 5 seconds. Most importantly, the platform can scale even higher towards processing 100,000 transactions sometimes in the future. The cost of making cross-border transactions has been an issue since the days of the old ways, which involves much hassle given the number of intermediaries involved, hence the exorbitant transaction fees. Of course, I'm talking about the hefty transaction fees incurred while processing international transactions with the SWIFT network. And even moving on forward towards the new monetary transaction system on the blockchain, the Ripple blockchain still boasts one of the lowest transaction fees, making it an attractive investment option for investors. Another essential feature of the Ripple platform is the low carbon emission rate compared to other crypto platforms, especially Bitcoin, which has been touted for this exact reason in most recent times. By 2030, XRP is expected to produce zero carbon emissions, and sustainability is one of the most attractive aspects of XRP. Through XRP, Ripple makes payments available on demand and solves the issue of liquidity on demand. Should we attach the relevance of the Ripple distributed ledger technology in developing the world's central bank digital currencies? While the experts would want to have this all-in-one crypto-based platform built for cross-border remittances, it would make sense to replace this with the outdated SWIFT system, which is a lot less efficient. Ripple is primarily built to handle heavy, borderless transactions. As such, the platform has continued to attract increasing partnership endorsements from several financial institutions, to the extent that such leading financial stakeholders like the World Economic Forum has gone a step further to enlist the Ripple coin as the most relevant crypto in the entire CBDC space. Ripple has enormous backing from banks and financial institutions from around the globe that wish to incorporate blockchain technologies into their existing centralized financial settlement platform. All of these attributes of the Ripple protocol and its XRP ledger are evidence of why billionaire crypto investors such as Steve Wynn, venture capitalists like Jimmy Valley of Valhill Capital, and even hedge fund managers like Mike Novogratz believe XRP will experience incredible growth in the coming years, likely reaching 5 figures within the next decade. XRP as a digital asset possesses all of the qualities that meet the needs of everyday individuals. As a result, Ripple, its XRP ledger, and its native asset will result in a game changer for the entire world's economy. Thus far, Ripple has gotten more attention from the entire crypto community than one would generally expect. And since the start of 2021, the Ripple asset has placed the fintech startup in the limelight, which has, in turn, garnered more partnership agreements for Ripple Labs. Based on the initial intent of the founders of the Ripple platform, the XRP coin was created with the mindset to have the token spread across the globe as quickly and efficiently as we have with the internet and its simplistic mode of information dissemination. Considering that most cryptocurrency assets serve no purpose with no actual utility, the many utilities of the Ripple platform guarantee its longevity, hence the perfect choice for a long-term investment. Ripple is set to be the standard for international transactions as it eases cross-border payments. Thus, this digital asset will certainly rise high, and it will earn its investors decent returns. Although XRP has dipped below its dollar psychological resistance level, the Ripple coin price still moves concerning the overall market trend. Whereas an increase in headwinds could see a short-term break to the downside, XRP seeks to enter into a new rally as investors look to critical events in 2022, such as a settlement in the SEC lawsuit and the launch of its liquidity hub. With that in mind, the bull is looking to take the price of XRP off the 93 cents mark, with the target of hitting between $1.05 to $1.10 in the meantime. Unfortunately, as we enter into a slightly bearish yet bullish overall momentum, XRP's price was set aback once again when its holders were beginning to get their hopes restored. The entire financial market has been in a bit of a turmoil following comments from the CEO of Moderna, who had questioned the efficacy of current vaccinations administered against the Omicron variant. As XRP's price continually finds support between the monthly pivot and the 50-day simple moving average, XRP holders are expected to hold on to the firm as they stand to regret not doing that when the prices of this digital asset reach significant highs, possibly $10,000. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.